morning everybody. How are you all? Okay, I think all of you are energetic and it is the time to enjoy a beautiful story. Okay, in the previous class we studied a beautiful poem. Did you remember? Yes, say the name. Okay, my first day at school, isn't it? Okay, in that poem we saw a little boy and we saw the excitement of a little boy at his first day at school, isn't it? Okay, now we are going to study a beautiful story. The name of the story is Haldy's Adventure. Is the name of the story? Yes, the name of the story is Haldy's Adventure. What is mean by adventure? Can you say? Yes, adventure means unusual or exciting experience. Okay. Okay, in this before that I am going to ask some questions. Listen here. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Okay. What do you wear to school? I think all of you wear beautiful dress, isn't it? Okay. Then have you ever seen anything strange on your way to school? Have you ever seen anything strange on your way? Okay, in this story we can see a little girl named Haldy. Okay, and it was a story of Haldy and it was an adventurous story of Haldy. Okay, all of you listen here. Now I am going to read the story. Listen carefully. Okay, Haldy's adventure. One morning, as Haldy walked to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldy." Haldy looked up at him. "I'm sorry to stay," she said, "but I have never met a giraffe like you." "My name is Smiley," said the giraffe. "Whenever you see me, you will smile." Haldy was surprised and happy too. Then she remembered that she would be late for school. So she said to the giraffe, "I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late." The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school." "Do you go to school every day?" "Yes," said Haldy. "I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. On Saturdays, I play games at school." "What do you do in school?" asked the giraffe. "I learn about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals." "That's good," said the giraffe. "I love books too. They are lots of fun. Now, jump on my back. I will take you to school." Haldy then jumped on the giraffe back and found that she could see so many things from the top. And before she knew it, she had reached the school playground. She climbed down. When she turned back to thank the giraffe, she found that he had gone away. Oh, Haldy thought, "What a wonderful adventure I have had." Okay, it is our story. I think all of you listen very well. All of you listen carefully. So I am going to give you short explanation. All of you listen here. One morning, as Haldy walked to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldy." I told you in this story we can see a girl. Say the name. Yes, Haldy. And we know that she is a little girl and she wants to go to school to acquire knowledge, isn't it? So, in the morning she is going to school. At that time, on the way, she met a giraffe. Okay, she met a giraffe. At that time she surprised. Why? Because the giraffe wore a big glasses. Giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. Giraffe wore big glasses and he held a book in his hand. Okay. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldy." We know that in the morning, okay, we say good morning to each other, isn't it? Okay. On saying Haldy, the giraffe said good morning to her. Okay. At that time, she looked up. Why? Yes, we know that. Okay, giraffe is a tall animal, isn't it? Okay. So she lifted her head. I am sorry to stare, she said. But I have never met a giraffe like you. I am sorry, I have never met a giraffe like you. I have never met a giraffe like you. I saw many giraffe, but it is a strange one. You are a strange one. I will never met like you. Okay. My name is Smiley, said the giraffe. At that time, the giraffe introduced himself. He said that my name is Smiley. Okay. What is the name of the giraffe? Okay, Smiley. Whenever you see me, you will smile. He said that. He continued. Whenever you see me at that time, you smile. So, my name is Smiley. Okay. Whose name was Smiley? Yes, giraffe name was Smiley. Okay. Haldy was surprised and happy too. At that on hearing this, Haldy was surprised. Haldy was wondered and happy too. She became very happy because she met a strange animal. So she became wondered and surprised and happy. Okay. Then she remembered that she would be late for school. She said to the giraffe, "I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late." But at that time she remembered she wanted to go to school. Okay. So she said that I am happy to see you and I want to talk to you some more time. But if I talk to you, I would be late to school. So here we can see the importance of punctuality. Okay. The girl uphold the importance of time and punctuality. Isn't it? Okay. Then she said that I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late. The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school." Do you go to school every day? On hearing this, giraffe says that, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I will run so fast." You know that I will run so fast. So climb on my back. At that time you will feel you are flying too. You are flying to school. Okay. I will help you. Please climb on my back and I will run so fast. At that time you will feel you are flying to school. Do you go to school every day? Do you go to school every day? At that time Haldy replied, "Yes," said Haldy. "I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays." Yes, all working day I go to school. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and yes, Fridays. On Saturday I play games at school. Saturday is a holiday, isn't it? Okay, at that time I play games at school. The next question, what do you do in school? Asked the giraffe. What do you do in school? What do you do in school? Say, Yes, we study. We study, we play, isn't it? We learn. Am I right? Okay. Haldi replied, I learned about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals. I studied about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals. I want to acquire knowledge. So, I go to school. That's good, said the giraffe. I love books too. That's good. It's good. I love books too. They are lots of fun. Books are lots of fun. So I love books too. Now jump on my back. I will take you to school. Okay, okay. Jump on my back. I will take you school. I will help you to reach school quickly. Okay. Please climb on my back. Haldi then jumped on the giraffe back and found that she could see so many things from the top. And before she knew it, she had reached the school playground. She climbed down. When she returned back to thank the giraffe, she found that she had gone away. Then Haldi then jumped on the giraffe back. On hearing this, she jumped on the giraffe back and she found that she could see so many things from the top. Now now she sit on the top, so she can see. She can watch many things at the top. So she enjoyed very well, and before she knew it, she had reached the school playground. Before it, she knew she had reached the school playground. Why? Yes, our giraffe run fastly, isn't it? So, she reached the school playground quickly. Suddenly, she reached the playground. Then she climbed down. When she turned back to the giraffe, she found that he had gone away. Then she climbed down and she turned back to say thanks. We know that we want to say thanks the person who helped us, isn't it? Okay, so Haldi turned back to say thanks to the giraffe. At that time, she found that he had gone away. He had gone away. Oh, Haldi thought, what a wonderful adventure I have had. At that time, she thought that it was an amazing, it was a wonderful experience I have had. She said that it was a wonderful experience. It was a wonderful, adventurous experience I have had. Okay, so it was an adventurous story of Haldi. Did you enjoy? Okay. All of you listen here. It is a story of a girl Haldi, and it is a story. It is an adventurous story of the girl Haldi. So I think all of you have adventurous stories, isn't it? Okay, try to write an adventurous story of you. So listen, all of you read the story very well, and I think all of you get the meaning of this story. All of you grasp the meaning of the story, and it is the time to wind up our class. So okay, we will meet again. See you. Bye.